Hi everyone, it's Kev here from TDN. Just going to do a couple of reviews today on this tool here. This is a tool by Marty Runick, made by Blehm. The Easy Leverage tool comes in a 17-inch one and a 24-inch. First things first, they do come available with the ratchet handles. The ones we stock are all ratchet handle, so plenty of positions on there to get nice and comfortable. It's actually quite a decent, comfortable handle as well, a little bit longer than the norm, which is quite nice. But a few things you'll notice. First is this curve here, and secondly, and more obvious, is obviously this heel kick. What this is designed to do is obviously when you're working further down into the door, got this door strip down here, when you start working in areas around here, all the drive you're putting, the shaft of the tool is somewhere going to be in contact with the door glass. So if we lay it out here, so if this is your leverage point, then you're losing all of this torque before you get to the toe of your tool. So every time you push, you're losing so much drive through the tool itself. So Marty came up with this tool. What this has enabled us to do is when the tool goes down, the curve here is going to follow the curve of the glass. So as the tool goes round, naturally it's going to keep this tool off of the glass. But what it is going to do is put the heel of the tool directly onto the glass. So whereas before my leverage point was here, now my leverage point is going to be the heel of the tool, which means I've only got this 4-inch worth of steel here to lose any torque in. So the drive you get out of these is really exceptional. So yeah, for anyone that's struggling with dents a little bit further away from the leverage point, this tool will actually combat this. A couple of things you do need to be aware of though, more so when you're working with the 24-inch one, is to make sure that your window guard is going to offer the correct protection. Now, for argument's sake, this window on this vehicle is going to drop to about here, standard. So if I pop that tool down and I'm fixing a dent in this area, as you can see, as I start to lever, you see the heel of the tool here is going to start touching the glass. Now I'm off of the window guard. I've got this window guard up a touch, but I just wanted to demonstrate what's going to happen. So that's going to be levering directly off of the door glass. So you're going to get door scratching, or worse still, you're going to blow a door out or blow a glass out. So always make sure you run with a longer window guard. So put this one down. So now that's going to run all the way to the bottom of the door there. So now we put the tool down. We're constantly levering off the door glass. Put the longer one down. Again, we're going to have that same thing. It's going to lever off of the window guard rather than the glass itself. Our doors are generally 17-inch, 18-inch between waste moulding to the scraper on the vehicle. So for the most part, this is going to be the size that you'd go for, unless of course obviously you're working on the back doors where rear glasses don't come all the way down, or if you're working up into the front edge of the door and you just need to get the tool at a bit more of an angle. But yeah, really good tool. I was quite surprised when I first got these. I was interested to try them out. Tried them out, and yes, you do get some great drive from them. So yeah, so this is the Easy Leverage in a 17-inch and a 24-inch. As always, you can find a link below. Welcome your feedback.
Please visit www.tdntools.com, or why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to see many more reviews like this of latest tools.